In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an internal note in Intercom. Internal notes are a simple, powerful way to coordinate with your team right inside a customer conversation without the customer ever seeing that discussion. They help you capture context, hand off work, and document decisions, all in the same place your team is already working. Start on your Intercom dashboard and head into Inbox. The inbox is where all your customer conversations live, and it's the best place to add notes because they'll sit neatly inside the relevant thread. Open the conversation where you want to leave guidance for your teammates. If you're already browsing a chat, you're in the right spot. By default, the composer at the bottom is set to reply, which sends a message to the customer. To switch to internal commentary, click Note instead of Reply. You'll see the composer switch modes, usually with a label change that makes it clear you're writing to your team. Take a moment to confirm you're in note mode before typing, so nothing private is sent to the customer by mistake. Now type your note, be clear and concise. Summarize what's going on, what you've tried, and what you need next. If you're assigning follow-up, write it plainly so the next person knows exactly what to do. You can mention teammates with the @ symbol to pull them in, paste links to relevant docs, and include details the customer might not need but your colleagues will, like troubleshooting steps or policy references. Avoid placing any sensitive information that doesn't belong in your workspace records, and keep the tone professional and factual. A useful tip is to start with a quick headline like next steps or context so teammates can scan quickly. When your message looks good, add the note by clicking the Add Note or Send button, depending on your workspace's label. The note will post instantly into the thread. You'll notice it appears visually distinct from customer-facing replies, helping everyone recognize it as internal. It won't notify the customer, it won't count as a customer reply, and it won't appear in their view of the conversation. At this point, you're done. Your note now lives in the conversation history, visible only to your team. Anyone who opens the thread can see your context and continue the work with full situational awareness. As a best practice, keep your notes consistent and searchable. Include keywords or ticket numbers that make them easy to find later. That's all it takes to add an internal note in Intercom. Open Inbox, switch to Note, type your message, and add it. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.